We are given the question, determine the product of these two matrices and use it to solve the system of equation x minus y plus z is equal to 4, x minus 2y minus 2z is equal to 9, and 2x plus y plus 3z is equal to 1. First, we take the given two matrices and multiply them to get the matrices as this matrix, which is equal to 8i, as it is the identity matrix. Then we assume A as this matrix and B matrix as this matrix. So the product of matrix A and matrix B is equal to 8i. We multiply both sides by B inverse to get A is equal to 8B inverse minus 1. So B inverse is equal to A by 8. The given equations of the lines are x minus y plus z is equal to 4, x minus 2y minus 2z is equal to 9, and 2x plus y plus 3z is equal to 1, which can be written in matrix form as 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 2 minus 2, 2, 1, 3, which is basically matrix B, and xyz is equal to 4, 9, 1. So this is basically matrix B, so we can write it as B matrix into X matrix is equal to C. We have assumed X matrix as XYZ and C as 491. So X is equal to B inverse of C. Now we have calculated B inverse as A by 8. Now replacing it in the equation, we get X is equal to AC by 8. So keeping 1 by 8 aside and multiplying the matrix A and C, we get 1 by 8 is equal to 1 by 8 multiplied by the matrix 24 minus 16 minus 8, and hence we get the value as 3, minus 2 and minus 1, which are the respective value of x, y and z.